Hello, everyone. Welcome to EasyTalk English. I'm Victor.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy you are here today. And I'm Emma.
Yes, today we will practice real English conversation together.
And today's topic is work and study.
That's right. We will talk about daily life, work, school, studying, busy schedules, and simple English you can use every day.
This lesson is perfect for beginner and intermediate English learners.
So, please relax, listen carefully, and practice speaking with us.
And if you enjoy learning easy English with us, please like and subscribe to EasyTalk English.
All right, let's begin.
Talking about morning routines.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Victor. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel a little sleepy today, though.
Oh, really? Did you sleep late?
Yes, I did. I stayed up late working on my computer.
Ah, that happens sometimes.
Yes. What about you? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. I went to bed early last night.
That's good. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
Me too. Morning time feels peaceful.
Exactly.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I first brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very good.
Then I make coffee.
Ah, yes. Coffee is important.
Very important.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Usually, yes.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
Honestly, sometimes I skip breakfast.
Victor, that's not good.
I know.
You need energy for work.
You are right.
Practice time.
Okay, everyone, now let's practice together.
Repeat after us slowly.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I usually eat breakfast before work.
I usually eat breakfast before work.
Very good.
Victor, what kind of work do you do?
I work as an English teacher.
That's nice.
Yes, I enjoy teaching English very much.
Why do you enjoy it?
Because I like helping people learn new things.
That's wonderful.
What about you, Emma? What do you do?
I work in an office.
Oh, really? What do you do there?
I answer emails, talk to customers, and attend meetings.
You sound very busy.
Sometimes I am very busy.
Do you like your job?
Yes, mostly.
Mostly?
Well, some days are stressful.
That's true for many jobs.
Yes, sometimes there is too much work.
I understand.
But I like my coworkers, and that helps a lot.
Good coworkers can make work better.
Definitely.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.,
And what time do you finish?
usually at 5 p.m.
That sounds like a normal schedule.
Yes, but sometimes I work overtime.
Ah, yes, overtime.
Do you work overtime too?
Sometimes, especially when I prepare lessons.
Preparation takes time.
Exactly. Now it's your turn.
Now, answer these questions aloud if you can.
What time do you start work or school?
What do you do every day?
Do you like your job or studies?
Are you busy during the day?
Good job, everyone. Let's talk about study and learning English.
Victor, are you studying anything these days?
Yes, I'm studying Spanish.
Really? That's exciting.
Yes, but learning a language is not easy.
That's true.
Sometimes I forget words quickly.
Me too, especially pronunciation.
Pronunciation can be difficult.
How often do you study Spanish?
I study a little every day.
That's a good habit.
Consistency is important.
Yes, small practice every day helps a lot. Consistency is the key to success.
Exactly.
How do you study?
I watch videos, listen to podcasts, and practice speaking.
That sounds helpful.
What about you? Are you learning anything new?
Yes, I'm learning graphic design online.
Nice. Do you enjoy it?
Very much. I love creative work.
Do you study at home?
Yes, usually at home.
Is it difficult to focus?
Sometimes my phone distracts me.
Ah, yes. Phones are dangerous.
Very dangerous for studying.
I understand completely.
Sometimes I open my phone for 5 minutes.
And suddenly, 1 hour disappears.
Exactly.
That happens to many people.
Do you study better in silence or with music?
Usually in silence.
Me too.
Silence helps me think clearly.
Yes, especially when learning English.
Let's practice useful English phrases.
Repeat after us slowly.
I study English every day.
I study English every day.
I want to improve my speaking skills.
I want to improve my speaking skills.
I practice listening while driving.
I practice listening while driving.
I am learning something new.
I am learning something new.
Excellent.
Victor, do you think balancing work and study is difficult?
Yes, sometimes it is very difficult.
Especially when people are tired after work.
Exactly.
Many people work all day and study at night.
That requires discipline.
Yes, sometimes motivation disappears.
That happens to everyone.
What should people do when they feel tired?
I think small steps are important.
What do you mean?
For example, study for just 15 minutes.
Ah, not too much at once.
Exactly. Small progress is still progress.
I like that.
Also, taking breaks is important.
Yes, rest is important too.
Definitely.
Do you make schedules?
Yes, schedules help me stay organized.
Me too. I write things in a notebook.
That's a good idea.
Sometimes I make a to-do list,
Very helpful.
but sometimes I forget the list exists.
That happens to me too.
At least we try.
Exactly. Nobody is perfect.
Listening practice.
Now, listen carefully.
Victor will speak slowly.
Every day, I go to work in the morning. After work, I study English for 30 minutes. Sometimes I feel tired, but I continue practicing because I want to improve.
Very nice.
Now, let's repeat slowly together.
Sometimes I feel tired.
But I continue practicing.
Again, I continue practicing.
Excellent work, everyone. Emma, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I usually go home and relax for a little while.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, but usually I watch YouTube videos.
What kind of videos?
Cooking videos, travel videos, and English videos.
English videos are the best.
Of course.
Do you cook dinner every day?
Not every day,
Why not?
because sometimes I feel too tired.
That's understandable.
What about you?
I enjoy cooking.
Really? What do you cook?
Simple food. Pasta, rice, eggs, chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you, Emma.
Do you eat while watching videos too?
Sometimes, yes.
I do that all the time.
Many people do.
After dinner, do you continue working?
Sometimes I answer emails.
Ah, yes. Emails never end.
Never.
Then what do you do before bed?
I usually read a book or listen to relaxing music.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I usually scroll on my phone too long.
Ah, yes, the dangerous phone again.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone, let's practice speaking one more time.
Repeat clearly and confidently.
I go to work every day.
I go to work every day.
I study English after work.
I study English after work.
I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
I practice a little every day.
I practice a little every day.
Amazing job, everyone.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you improve your listening and speaking skills.
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
Yes, small practice every day can make a big difference.
Keep learning slowly and keep believing in yourself.
And tell us in the comments.
What do you usually do every day after work or study?
We would love to hear from you.
Thank you for watching Easy Talk English. Learn English for a better future.
Before we go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to EasyTalk English for more real English conversation practice.
Yes, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
If today's lesson helped you, please share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Learning together makes English easier and more fun.
And remember this: small practice every day is stronger than one day of perfect study.
Wow, I really like that.
You do not need to speak perfect English today.
You only need to continue practicing, little by little, every day.
Every conversation, every new word, every small step.
Brings you closer to confident English.
So keep listening,
Keep speaking,
keep learning,
and never be afraid of mistakes.
because mistakes are part of learning.
And every mistake is a step forward.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We are proud of your progress.
Take care, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next Easy Talk English lesson.
Bye, everyone.